Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we got Samsung A20e, the new Galaxy phone from Samsung. Seems that they release a lot of phones this year, and this is quite a really nice small compact phone from Samsung. If you find this phone on a good deal, just buy it. I just find it with £80 in UK. Samsung seems that is running promotion, so if you give them a old Android phone back, they're gonna give you some cash back, and depends of the phone, they can be from £30 like for this one until £60 for Galaxy A20, and it's a good deal. For £80 you can get this phone. So this is Galaxy A20e, and let's have a quick read on this little box. So it's coming with Infinity V display, it's a dual camera and fast charging, it's a 4G phone, octa-core processor, and rounded corners, HD plus, and 13 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel on the rear back camera, and we got an 8 megapixel front camera plus 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of memory, and of course you can add a micro SD up to 512 giga. So it's quite really good. So good specification for this phone. I don't know if it's an entry level which is going through the mid-range zone, but yeah, let's have a look on the box first. And it's not a huge box, it's tiny, I like it. And yeah, let's see what do we have in here. Probably just some papers and nothing else. It's not coming with any silicone case, no, not at this time, and probably not on this price. And this is the phone. Looks so nice. I remember the G5J, you remember the J5 or J7? Probably this one is going through that zone. So let's put the phone away, and we got of course the adapter. It's an UK adapter, fast charging, 15 watts, so it's really good. Okay, let's see what else we got in the box. They give us some nice old school earphones, and we got the USB type C. Yeah, we got an USB type C, so we can charge this phone. So let's take all of this away and let's have a look on the phone, see if we can push it. Or maybe just take this one off. Yeah, more easy now. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let's peel this out. So this is Galaxy A20e. It's a really nice looking phone. It's so small, compact, and it's not heavy at all. Okay, and let's turn the phone on and let's have a look what this new phone is coming with. Okay, so we got a dual SIM plus a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes, but on the specification on the website they said it can go up to 1 terabyte. So it's amazing how much you can put on this phone. We got the volume buttons on the right side, so up and down, and we got the power button. Of course we got the dual camera on the rear back, which is a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera plus a 13 megapixel primary camera, and on the front we got an 8 megapixel camera f2.0. On the bottom we got of course we got the jack audio, which is really good, and we got the micro USB type C, so, and the grill for the speakers of course. So we can charge this phone quite fast, 15 watts like I said, and the battery is 3000 milliampere, which is again quite good for the size of this phone. And let's go quick through the settings, and we're gonna have to agree with some policy from Samsung. Skip at this moment, skip again, and we should go quick through the menu. I don't want to send any data I don't like that. So we got face recognition, we got fingerprints, and let's try with the face recognition first. Continue, and let's say we got a pattern here, and let's try again. Next one, confirm. Okay, yes, glasses, well, and let's try to put our face on it. All right, and let's take the glasses off and let's try again. Okay, now the face, it's registered. Stay on lock screen, no, because I want to be fast recognition and brighten screen. Okay, get recommended apps, skip at this point, skip again at this point, and come on, all done. And let's have a look. Yeah, the classic sound is not quite edge to edge screen, but the corners are quite rounded, and we got this little nice drop notch right here, and I like it because it's not quite that U shape. I like it that on OnePlus 6T shape, which I like it. And wow, it's snappy, is it? Quite fast for 80 pounds, really? It's really good. Okay, let's see what do we have on the key menu right here. We got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auto rotate, power, location, and we got NFC. Wow, amazing. On this cheap phone we got NFC, and let's see what else is hiding here. Nearby, of course. So we got NFC, we got location, probably Dolby Atmos only when we listen music, and we got the night mode on the phone, which is again really nice. Okay, let's go quick through the settings and see what this phone is hiding. It's quite One UI from Galaxy. It's an Android 9 and Galaxy A20e. So yeah, dual SIM like I said, plus one micro SD card. Also the chipset, it's an Exynos 7884 and it's an octa-core, of course. The resolution of this display, it's only HD plus, so we don't have full HD, and the pixel density it's 296. Also the size of the screen it's 5.8, so it's quite the same like Galaxy S9 if you remember, and it's 80.4% screen to body ratio, so it's not that bad. Let's go again on the settings. So we got digital well-being right here, like any other Samsung phone, and it's, well, not too much like I used to have on Galaxy A50 or Galaxy A70. And let's see what else. Let's go on the biometrics and security. I just registered the face, so we're gonna have a quick unlock test, and let's have a try. Okay, it's not that bad. Not that bad. Let's add the fingerprint and let's see how fast it's gonna be. Swipe toward your finger. Okay, 15, 18. I just feel the plastic of this phone. Interesting, the feeling. Seems that Samsung bring all the phones from this A series with plastic on the back, and we got of course glass on the front. So yeah, even for this phone we got front glass and a plastic body, and the weight, because I said doesn't feel that heavy. It's taking a lot of time to register my fingerprint. I hope gonna be fast. And like I said, the weight of this phone, it's only 141 grams, so it's not that bad, but it's a bit dimensions, thickness is 8.4. well, not that bad if I can say. Fingerprint added, done. Try it out. Okay, your fingerprint was recognized. And let's have a look now after 5 hours. Oh, okay. It's not that bad, huh? Is it? Well, it's not the fastest, but it's still there and it's still working. And plus Face ID, it's a really good job. Let's have a quick try with Galaxy A70 and Galaxy A20e. Let's see the face unlock, which one is faster. Maybe you want to see that. Okay, so we got Galaxy A20e on the right and Galaxy A70. Let's have a quick try to see which one is opening faster. Okay, not too bad for A20e. Yeah, really not too bad. Looks a bit faster than A70. Really? Come on, let's switch the phones and have another try. Yeah. Look at this. It's faster than A70 on Face Unlock. Amazing. And look at the size of these two phones. It's a huge screen for Galaxy A70, and look how small and compact is this A20e. And like I said, and you've seen, the Face Unlock is quite fast for A20e, so you better use the Face Unlock instead of rear fingerprint, which is better. Let's move on the camera, and like I said, it's coming with a 13 plus 5 megapixel camera, and on the front we got 8 megapixel camera. Let's go quick on the menu and let's have a look. Rear video size full HD, and we can record only on full HD. Also on the front we can record on full HD with that 8 megapixel camera. We got HDR, and let's see what else we got. We got video, live focus, pro mode, and panorama. And we're gonna take a few sample photo right now, and let's see the quality of this photo. Autofocus. Okay, let's see, and let's have a look. Looks a bit blurry. Probably you don't have to shake your hand quite quick, have to be quite steady when taking the photos. It doesn't came of course with optical or electronic image stabilization, so yeah, make sure you don't move your hand very quick. So but the photo looks quite good, I have to say. It's not that bad. It's just a dual camera, and you can switch between normal and the ultra wide camera. Also on the video you can switch between the ultra wide. Now it's just normal and zoom, so you can zoom in, but probably you cannot record while switching between the cameras, so you can record only on the normal, or depends which one did you switch it before. Yeah, so you have to choose before start to record the video. So yeah, this is this Galaxy A20e, a new phone from Samsung, smaller, compact, fingerprint magnet on the back. It's a plastic body, and it's not that heavy, and it's really nice, like a backup or the second phone, so you can use it easily. It's not Super AMOLED if you're asking, but the screen, it looks amazing. It's PLS TFT capacitive touchscreen. It's not too bad, it's looking great. And yeah, this is Galaxy A20e. So thank you for watching this video, a quick unboxing of A20e, and until next time, peace.